Yeah. Hi everyone. How are you doing? Yes, today is a beautiful day. I'm going to hang out with my girls today. I'm going to take you guys along. I'll just what is about to happen today. Okay? Look at this beautiful lady. Isn't she beautiful? Yes guys, we're going to have fun today. Yes. Yes.
What you need, I got it now. Give it to me like.
So we are here for a brief meeting. These are my secondary school old girls. We always gather once in a while to deliberate. So we started with a word of prayer.
Thank you for what you are doing in our life. Thank you for what you are about to do in our life. Thank you for the works, oh God, you have done. Be thou glorified.
So after the meeting, it was time for refreshment and we ordered this giant catfish. When they brought it and we opened it, the aroma alone gave us a signal that this catfish will make sense. As we tested it, oh my god, we confirmed that this is the catfish of life. It was so hot and delicious, well spiced. Oh my god, can you see the way we are just eating it? It makes sense, really, it makes sense. And we even ordered more. We ordered 2 more. We are just enjoying our catfish. Eat to your satisfaction. Eat it anyhow you want. If you want to use spoon, if you want to use fork, if you want to use your hand, you're free to eat where you don't form. One thing with our secondary school girls, old girls, we don't send. Anytime we come together, we start behaving like students again. We'll talk, memories will start coming, we'll talk. G's, whatever career that you have, you just drop it by the side and flow with others. We'll eat anyhow, use spoon, use fork, enjoy yourself. We don't send, we don't form, no competition. We are just here to catch fun, nothing more.
TikTok, don't stop.
So here, second round done and dusted. We are moving on to the third round. I don't know, it was just like we came to eat catfish. But yes, it's worth it. It was so good. We really had fun with this catfish. For real. It was so good. And we have a message for some of our members that didn't attend this meeting. They really missed this event. Can you imagine the fun they missed?
We're enjoying life.
I'm enjoying.
So what's the making space? Let me be about this.
Hey!
Enjoying our life. Thank God I'm here. Thank God I did not miss today. Next time, don't miss. If I do another one, are you seeing it?
So it was time to leave, and we all had so much fun. So we went downstairs to take some pictures. These are some of the pictures that we took. We've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, like and share, and remember to on your notification bell to always get notified when I post a new video. I'll say bye for now.